Hi guys and welcome back. As I promised you before, we will test all of these colors, okay? So here we go. Here I have the content page as we did before. So I will go to the code now. Here in the code I have the table. Okay, the table. Here. Okay, here we go. Here I will make the tr with a class of table active. Let's see what we have here. Here I got this, right? And when I make this into table primary, class table primary. So here I got this, the second color. When I make this secondary, class table secondary. So here I got this. Okay, I can copy this and paste it again like this. Okay, so here I can make table success. I have the green color here, and here instead of secondary I can make danger, which is red. So here I have the red color, and then I can make okay, let's go back to the code and see what we have. Okay, after the danger I can make warning. Warning would be yellow. So here I have the yellow color, and here I can make info. Instead of secondary I can make info. Info is something like sky blue or light blue, and here I can make light. It will be similar to white smoke or white. Okay, here it is white. I can paste it again here, and here I have the last one, which is dark. We have tested this before. Dark. No, we didn't do. Okay, so here for the DD I have the primary, secondary, success, danger, warning, info, light, and dark. We will test it again. So here I have class table active. So here I do not think so. We will start from the bottom to the top. So here dark. So here I got this. Okay, and here I can copy this. No, I do not need to copy. For the auto, here I can make a class of table light. Nothing. I think we got a problem here, but it is okay. Okay, it is okay. Let's move on. Here in the TD I can make a class of table light. I think that is changing just the color. I think the color is already black. Okay, let's try this. Class of table info. I think this is just changing the color, so most of them will not be displayed. Okay, here class of table warning. Nothing. Okay, and here class of table danger. Nothing. Class of table success. Nothing yet. Here, okay, class of table secondary. Nothing again. I've got a problem here. Nothing. Okay, and finally here class of tuple primary. I do not think that tuple active is written in the v5. The last one, which is tuple active. So now we have learned the difference. What if we make this here? So here I can give it a class tuple primary for the th. So now there's a difference here, I think. So what if I deleted that and see what we have? Okay, I'm not sure. I think we have a difference here. No, so it is the same, just for the color. Okay, let's see what we have here after the colors. Here I have all of that which we tested before, so we don't need it, which is PG. Let's try. Okay, let's try. We didn't test it before. So here in the tr, I can delete this and make it PG info. Sorry. Now I got this, right? Okay. And after that I can make we just got a problem here because we make it into the dark, so I will delete it. Okay, so here I have all of that here for the info. We just got a problem here. I'm sorry, we have set a class here, so this was not displayed for the background color. It was just displayed for the color. And here I can make a PG danger. It is red, I think. Yes, red. We just got a problem here. Tuple light, or I can keep it like that so you can see the difference. Okay, and here PG warning. I got this here. Okay, and here PG success. I got the green color. Finally here PG primary, which is I think blue. Yes, blue. Great. Let's move to the TD. So here I will start from here. PG class equal PG primary. So here I got this, I think. No, we got a problem. I do not think we got a problem. What if I delete this? No, it is okay. Okay, so here I got this for the PG primary, which is this one. Okay, so I can make this here PG primary, so we can differentiate between them. Okay, so here in the 2 I can make a PG class of PG success. So here I got this. Here I can write PG success. Great. Here, okay, class of PG warning. Okay, and here I will write PG warning. Great. I have the last two. I have the success and primary. So here class of PG success. So here I got this. We have tested the success before, I think. Right? Success is here. Okay, the primary. Yes, we tested all of that. So this is okay. Let's see what we have here for the tables again. Okay, what is that? This is a caption. So if I make this here, and where the table, any table, and I make it here, caption. So I got the name of the table here. So here, what if I make it my wish list? So here I got this. Okay, let's get what we have here after this part. Always responsive. Java, the class of table responsive. When I put it there, it is totally responsive. Always responsive. What if I make this like that? It is responsive. It is already responsive, but if I want it to be totally responsive and always responsive without editing anything, I can copy this here and take this and make it for the table, the ending of the table here. Okay, I will refresh the page here. It is the same, but it is totally responsive when I make it like this. Okay, and after that I have the breakpoint. It is okay, I don't need it. It will be totally responsive anyway. It's just for the large one if you want a large one, but it is okay, we are using the small one. Okay, let's see what we have here in the figures before I leave the video. I just had this. It is not big. We will make it in the next video, and then we will move to the V5 of the website of V5, which is V5 get Bootstrap. Okay, and we will know everything we learned here, and we will build a project using the Bootstrap 5. I just wanted to show you here because it is a simpler way. It is written in a simpler way. So good luck and have fun.